Hello students, my name is Poonam Dua. I am from MND Education Academy of Literature. Today we are going to cover an important topic, important subtopic I must say, subtopic of feminism, gynocriticism by Ellen Showalter. आइए इस वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं और प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। ये वीडियो दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा। वीडियो को देखते हुए प्लीज़ टेक अ पेन एंड पेपर एंड keep noticing each and everything. I will discuss important MCQs also in the end of the video, and that will be very helpful for your competitive exams. So let us start the term now. Gynocriticism or gynocritics is the term coined in the 70s by Ellen Showalter to describe a new literary project intended to construct a female framework for the analysis of women's literature. एलन शोवाल्टर का जन्म जनवरी 21, 1941 को हुआ था। वो एक अमेरिकन लिटरेरी क्रिटिक हैं, फेमिनिस्ट हैं, जो कि ऑब्वियस है, एंड राइटर ऑन कल्चरल एंड सोशल इश्यूज एज वेल. We can say she is one of the founders of feminist theory criticism in United States academia, developing the concept and practice of gynocritics, a term describing the study of women as writers. शोवाल्टर के इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क को डिस्कस करते हैं थोड़ा सा. शोवाल्टर डेवलप्ड हर डॉक्टरल थीसिस इनटू हर फर्स्ट बुक. तो फर्स्ट बुक का नाम आप लोग अच्छे से नोट कर लीजिए, अ लिटरेचर ऑफ देयर ओन ब्रिटिश वुमेन नॉवेलिस्ट फ्रॉम ब्रॉन्टे टू लेसिंग, विच वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन 1977. इट इज़ अ pioneering study in which she created a critical framework for analyzing literature by women. अब उनकी नेक्स्ट बुक के बारे में बात करते हैं. हर नेक्स्ट बुक द Female Malady, Women, Madness in English Culture, 1830 to 1980, published in 1985. It was a historical examination of women and the practice of psychiatry. She also wrote Sexual Anarchy, Gender and Culture at the Fin de Siècle 1990, Sister Choice, Tradition and Change in American Women's Writing 1991, Histories, Historical Epidemics and Modern Culture 1997, a controversial exploration of the history of mass hysteria, inventing herself, claiming a feminist intellectual heritage 2001. हमारा आज का प्रेजेंट ऐसे या प्रेजेंट टॉपिक एक अटेम्प्ट है एक्सप्लोर करने का शोवाल्टर की फेमिनिस्ट क्रिटिकल फिलॉसफी को एंड द करस्पॉन्डिंग प्रैक्टिस ऑफ सच एन innovative approach in literary feminism. So we can say gynocriticism is the study of women's writing. The term was coined by Ellen Showalter, as I told, in 1979 to refer to a form of feminist literary criticism that is concerned with women as writers. She developed the concept, or she coined the one gynocritics and practiced it throughout her life career. She, being a specialized in Victorian literature, wrote on pre-Victorian, Victorian and modern female writers as well, observing their social, cultural, religious and financial status in their own periods. And this video is an attempt to explore her critical philosophy. Showalter's critical approach is a feminist social critique, that is an analysis of women writing in a particular culture or particular social circumstance. एलन शोवाल्टर की राइटिंग्स को देखकर हमेशा ही ऐसा लगता है कि शी हैज़ डन इंटेंसिव स्टडी ऑफ फीमेल कॉन्शियसनेस and which has been described in both female and male's writing, and she came to a conclusion after reading that women were or women are misunderstood and misidentified because of raw attention and weak sensibility of other than women herself. Women cannot be understood by man, nor her writing can be elaborated explicitly. Therefore, women is expected to read and write women's sensibility illustrated in writing. फीमेल्स से हमेशा एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि देयर राइटिंग विल ओनली बी सेंसिबल एंड देयर writings will only be women specific, women centered. So she had deep respect and sympathy with Mary Wollstonecraft and Virginia Woolf and regarded them as the towering and benchmark figure in feminist personalities. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो में हम देखेंगे डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ गाइनोक्रिटिसिज्म। आप यहाँ पर दिए गए नंबर्स के द्वारा हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमारी ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन क्लासेस ज्वाइन करने के लिए। लेट अस कंटिन्यू ऑन द पार्ट 2 नाउ।